Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the app. Log into the account and go straight to search. Tap the search bar so Instagram surfaces recent entries and suggestions. Once you see the unwanted suggestion, press and hold that specific item to reveal removal options. This first action targets single suggestions quickly. Make sure you're on the right account if you manage multiple profiles, because changes apply per account. You'll remove items one by selecting Hide or Remove after the press and hold prompt. Confirm the action. Instagram usually applies the change immediately, clearing that entry from your drop-down list. Once done with a few, refresh the search bar to verify they're gone. If suggestions reappear, it can be from related activity. Keep removing duplicates and consider the next slide steps to clear broader history and data to reduce repopulation. Now clear your overall search history via setting Security Clear Search History. This wipes recent searches and helps stop similar suggestions. If things still reappear, clear the app cache on Android or reinstall the app on iOS to remove cached suggestion data. Make sure syncing with linked accounts or Facebook isn't restoring results. If suggestions persist after these steps, try logging out and back in.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.